Hi everyone, my name is Miss V and I'm your PE teacher for the summer session. It is an online only course and majority of the work is asynchronous, which means we will give you assignments and you will kind of do them on your own time. Just wanted to take you through a brief orientation regarding the online course and how to navigate everything. So some of you guys have already done this before, you've already taken PE, so you're familiar, but for those that aren't, I just wanted to take you through a brief rundown of how to log in. So from your, using your district issued laptop, from the Clever page here, you're just going to go to Canvas, and if it's, I've already made it my favorite, so you just hit the little heart and click on it, and then that'll be a favorite. If not, you'll have to kind of navigate it through the links here, and then just make it a favorite so it pops up at the top of your desktop. So when you click Canvas, it'll automatically direct you to your Canvas page, and any classes that you are taking and the teachers that use Canvas, it'll automatically pop up on your dashboard. So it'll show like some of the classes that I've taught in the past and then the classes I'm teaching presently. So if I keep scrolling down, I've got PE Valdeways summer session. So this is this is a class that you want to click on. So when you click here, this will take you to your course, and it takes you to it directs you to my homepage. So what you want to do is you always want to make sure that you're checking your emails here in your Canvas inbox, not your district email, but right here, and also announcements. Anything important for the week, I normally put in announcements, and it also gets directed to your email. But make sure you're checking for both of those for any information. So if you click on announcements, today's announcement is you're going to watch the orientation video, and then after watching the video, if you have any questions, you can click on this Zoom link here for additional question and answer session. I'll be available for 30 minutes. So like I said, this should hopefully answer all of your questions, but if you have anything additional, feel free to jump on the Zoom. Okay, so if we hop back over to, everything's going to be mainly in modules. So if you click modules, it'll take you to the orientation module. I'm going to put it in student view for you. So this should be what you can see. And then one thing, if it does say complete all items here and you notice some of these are grayed out, it just means that you need to view all of the items. Okay, so for the orientation module, this is just basically a lot of information just to help you out. It's probably more information than you need, but it could help you with the other online courses that you have. And just a brief rundown, anything with the page icon is basically information. Anything with the little rocket ship right here is going to be a quiz. That's a graded assignment. Anything with the paper and the pencil is going to be a graded assignment. So those are what you want to look out for this semester, is the rocket ship and then the paper with the pencil. Okay, if it's just a piece of paper here, that's just like information. Okay. So you've got, I've got two modules for you to look through, and this is the orientation module. So you'll start by like clicking on the schedule, and I will update this for the summer. I've got the past schedule already here. And then if you go, all you gotta do is keep clicking through next. Here is the rundown of our course syllabus. I'm not going to read it all to you. You can look over it. Just the main points I want to hit upon is that each assignment that you have, and you mainly have 4 per week, so 40 points a week, it's going to, they're all the work is going to be due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, I know during the regular school year it was due almost daily, but for the summer, I know since you guys don't have as much time, I give you till the end of the week on Fridays at 11:59 to turn all your weekly work in. And then here's the breakdown of the percentages for points. And then normally our class, if you're in the afternoon period 1, the class is supposed to go from 12:35 to 2 p.m. And if you're in the period 2 after school or afternoon, you'll go from 2:05 to 3:30. And the classes will meet from June 14th to Thursday, July 15th. Okay. And then this just kind of talks about the different types of assignments we do. And like I said, if you've already taken this course, you pretty much will know what to expect. It's very similar to how the regular school year was set up. And then I've just got some information here. I've already sent this letter out to your parents and to you guys regarding the welcome letter. The Zoom link is right here for today's session. Nike Run Club info here, all that stuff. And then if you click on next, so you just can click through these. It's a welcome video. If you hit play, watch it, and then you can click next. But let me hop back over to modules. So make sure that you're going through each of these and see how as I'm clicking on them, it's checking them off that you're able to see complete everything. So just make sure you look through each of these files and you gain a good understanding of expectations, outcomes, all of that great stuff. Okay, and then I'm going to get to like the heart of the lessons, the graded assignments. So for week 1, it's going to be very brief, more so housekeeping issues. Just a reminder, you guys are covering, you guys are actually getting 5 units here for the summer session, and that equates to about 16 weeks worth of work during the regular school year, and you're doing it in 5. So you're very lucky in the fact that you're going to be able to make up a ton of work in a small amount of time. So it's very important that you just stay on top of your assignments. Okay. If you don't complete this summer session, or you don't pass it, you're going to have to take this all over again in the regular school year. And like I said, one semester is 16 weeks. So it's better to try to knock it out in 5 than 16. Okay. So for this week's assignments, they are going to be available beginning Monday, and this is a typo, it should be June 14th, and they will be due by Friday, June 18th at 11:59 p.m. So you've got 4 assignments this week. You've got a PE distance learning orientation quiz, and like I said, the information is going to be up here with the syllabus. You can click on that. You can click between the two to complete this. And then you've got fitness goals. All you're going to do is you're just going to write down 3 fitness goals for me. Make sure that they're measurable and specific. So for example, a bad example is actually going to be, I want to get stronger arms. A good example would be, I want to be able to perform 50 push-ups without stopping. That's a measurable goal, something that you can be able to see if you achieved it at the end of the summer session. Same thing with this. I want to lose 10 pounds by August. That's a good measurable goal. Don't just write, I want to lose weight, because that doesn't really give you a starting and ending point. So make sure that you write down 3 goals. If you need to, copy and paste this fill-in. And then you're going to go to start assignment. So anytime you turn in any assignment, you're always going to look for the blue button. That will guide you to completing an assignment. But if you click on start assignment, all you have to do is you can click between the 3 options that it gives you to submit your assignment, and then you can just write your information right here, and then all you have to do is hit submit and you're good to go. Okay. Your next assignment is a meet and greet Flipgrid. So I just want to learn a little bit about you. It doesn't have to be long. Introduce yourself. Just want to see your face, so I can put a face with the name. These will not be shared with anyone. It's just more for my benefit of knowing who you are. Tell me something about you. If you play a sport, if you have an interest, hidden talent, anything you want to tell me, just let me know. If you have some type of medical condition that I need to know about, you can share that as well. And like I said, these are going to stay confidential. It's just for me to get to know you better. Okay, so all you're going to do is click onto the Flipgrid, follow the instructions, and then I will update this to the summer session flip code, and then you'll just submit your video. Okay, and that's worth 10 points. And the next assignment is, so this is really important that you guys do this week. I'm going to need you to download this fitness app on your phone. So you're going to download Nike Run on your phone. Make sure you friend or follow your instructor. And then your assignment, you're going to submit your username by clicking this here. It'll take you to the information page. You're just going to put your email, your name, your ID number, and then which period you're enrolled in, and your username on Nike. Okay. And then make sure that it's going to ask you, are you following your instructor? And you can click yes, no, or I cannot follow the instructor because, and so on. Make sure that you email me letting me know your situation. If it is a phone issue, I do have some trackers or device like pedometers that I can probably loan out for the summer. But even if you can borrow like a parent or sibling's phone for even an hour a day just to get out and do your miles, that'll be beneficial for you. Okay. So you're going to make sure you complete that and submit it to me. Let me hop back over, and yep, that's it for that for this week. So Just wanted to take you through that orientation. And like I said, anything that you have to turn in, look for the little rocket ship, look for the little paper with the pencil, and those are the assignments that you are responsible for. It's only 4 this week. If you have questions, let me know. I will be publishing the, oh, also I've included different workouts for you guys. So those of you that don't have any workouts in mind to do, I've provided some CrossFit WODs that you can click on and you can try out. Take a look at them. If you like them, try them. If you don't like them, click to the next one. I've also included a ton of how-to video instructions, links to how to do things. So how to join, how to use the Nike Run Club app, how to add your instructor onto Nike Run. If you plan on doing biking instead of running on the cardio day, just know that 3 miles of biking will equate to 1 mile of running. This is the Strava app. This will show you how to use the Strava app. Make sure you friend me on that as well. But everything that you need, videos, links, instructions are going to be in this how-to video instruction module. So for your benefit. So if you have any questions, feel free to jump into the Zoom and I'll be happy to answer them. But this should get you through enough of this week. Hopefully you'll be able to navigate it yourself and get through everything. All of your work is going to be asynchronous this year. I will be available to Zoom. Send me a message and I will send you a link after this week. But I'm just kind of holding you guys responsible for taking care of business. And I'm really pretty open to, if you have any problems or issues, just communicate with me in advance instead of communicating with me after the fact. Okay, I'm really willing to work with you if you just let me know ahead of time. If you know you're planning to miss a couple days for vacation, that's very understandable. Send me a message so I can send you the work ahead of time. Okay. Hope to hear from you guys soon. And like I said, if you have any questions, I'll see you on the Zoom later today. Thanks.